my phone, so. Jordan. Oh my gosh. Jordan. Why didn't you wait for me to help you unload that?
I don't know.
Jordan's trying to be cool. Trying to impress me with his strength. That's so sweet.
What can I say? Smell good.
Oh, I put lip gloss on.
I'll leave it.
Okay, don't
Okay,
mess
so
with
we're
that.
gonna lift this upstairs.
Oh, sure. Forgot about that. Okay,
Well, we might
so
as
we're
well.
back at our future Airbnb / family weekend getaway. We brought the rest of our couch and we will be finishing the flooring in our bedroom. So we got flooring for the bunkhouse. It's different than the cabin. We couldn't afford to do the bunkhouse in the same flooring as the cabin. We wanted to go a little more high-end in there, but we found some really great luxury vinyl plank on OfferUp for $1.50 a square foot. So we're saving a ton of money and we're super happy with the product. So we're gonna unload that and start flooring the bunkhouse after we finish the cabin. So that's what we're doing today. Jordan's getting hot. All right, we got the couch up there. We moved some wood down that was up there. I don't know why it's up there because it's for the posts. It's for the posts of the house to wrap those.
Yeah, that's right.
Anyways, so we moved that down and now we have to move the flooring up there. Which I wonder if we should sweep and vacuum first.
Hey, you wanna go grab a broom?
Yeah,
Just sweep
I'll
while
sweep
I
and
move it
vacuum
up?
first, sure. Okay, it appears that these are two different colors. First we thought it was the lighting, but it is not because we put it by each other. Gray and brown. Okay, hopefully it was just the wrong box because these ones are all brown and the box before were all brown. But that one is like
Gray.
gray. Which I know gray's in, but I ain't into it.
This one's good.
Okay, this is the flooring for the bunkhouse.
Oh yeah, there's a few with red.
Metro floor,
Yeah, there's a
Engage
few with red
Inception.
on.
The color is aged leather, but the box we opened had red on the aged leather part, and we bought this from a guy on Craigslist for
Let's
OfferUp.
see, this one's gray.
So we'll see if the red is the gray stuff because that will need
Looks like
to
it.
return. Uh-oh. Oh yeah.
So they knew.
We were a little disappointed because we're opening up the boxes of flooring that we got for the bunkhouse, and quite a few of the corners are busted, so we can't really use those because it would look really dumpy. And then quite a few of them are gray, which I asked the guy, are there any gray pieces? Because I don't want any gray. And he's like, no, no gray. But there are, so we're just kind of taking them all out of the packages, seeing what there is, and seeing if we have enough to do the floor. So that's what Jordan's doing behind me.
We're good here.
So here you can see it's just like, this just got totally chunked up there.
We can use those, but we can't use them for pieces in the middle of a run.
Yeah.
We don't use them for edges and stuff, but not in a room like this when the bulk of it is a straight run. Those pieces are worthless.
Yeah, the bulk of the room is gonna be straight runs, so we gotta calculate how much we can use. And this is the gray, and even this is like chipped up, which we don't want to use it, but if we did, couldn't really.
Okay, luckily this isn't as catastrophic as I had feared.
Oh, good. Yeah, because I do like the flooring and the color is really nice.
Yeah, we almost have, we have almost double what we need. So we should be able to make this work. Because we could use all those broken pieces for the stairs.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Short
Yes.
cuts.
Okay.
I think we're good. So let's do.
Well, let's keep checking just to be sure.
No, I'm checking every single piece. Okay, so this pile has 48 pieces. 48 times 3 equals 144 pieces. There's 6 pieces in a box. This is divided by 6. There's 24 boxes right here. And then you multiply that by 21.5 feet per box. Equals 516 feet. And we only need 400. We need less than 450.
Perfect.
So we have enough to do it. This can be edges, you know, starter pieces cut, and then also all the stairs. So we got plenty. We're actually good.
Perfect.
I'm freaking stoked. Because for a minute there, every box I opened looked like this. Look at this. Every single box was looking like this.
Ooh, yeah, that's not salvageable.
And we can't use any of these for full length pieces.
Yeah.
So dude,
All right, crisis averted. Should we start just flooring this place?
I don't know. Kind of here. Do we have all the tools? Because vinyl's a little different.
It has a padding on the back, so we basically just need to vacuum and then get your saw, click together, rubber mallet.
I mean, it's up to you. If you don't feel like messing with glue today.
I don't. Let's just start on this.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I know I was against it before, but you know, a lot can change in like 2 hours.
Well, after you deal with all that crap.
I know now that we have it out of the box and everything, it's like, whatever, let's just do it. Because, yeah, we'll get way further on this than we would on that.
There, the benefit is that we're done.
It doesn't matter. We got to do it all anyways, I guess.
So it's 1. Let's eat some food.
Work on it for 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours. We got this.
Eat some lunch and then we'll get cranking. I'll get all my tools set up.
So yeah, like I mentioned before, we are doing a little bit cheaper of a flooring out here than in the main cabin because this is where this is where we will be sending the kids and all their friends to come play, and you know, we don't want this to be like that we have to be overly like, take your shoes off, like don't drop them on the floor, don't, you know, more of a rough house kind of place. That's why we put a free couch out here and some cheap flooring, and hopefully we won't have to patch the walls too much in the future, but we'll see. I don't know. far so good. We're at the stairs now, kind of at a junction, so Jordan has to hack this stair off really quick and then we can continue. Fit this time. It's gonna be perfect.
It's ugly.
All right. It's 5:52. We have 1 hour and like, I don't know, 10 minutes.
This is too close. This pattern is messed up.
It's not that bad, babe.
Ha!
Anywho. We have 1 hour and like 20 minutes. To finish this flooring, and I think we're gonna get it done. Okay, all we have is this little sliver right there. Yeah, right there left to do. Don't mind my dirty, dusty fingers. These are working girl hands. Sad.
We
We're
floored this
almost
whole
done.
room in like 5 hours.
I know.
After loading up the couch, dumping the kids, driving an hour and a half out here, unloading the couch, unloading the flooring, getting all the flooring organized because it was all messed up, switching gears.
Because we were gonna floor our
We're
bedroom.
gonna floor the bedroom in the house. No glue, this stuff goes so quick. And it's good. It doesn't feel pingy at all.
Mm-mm.
It sounds weird. Like it sounds just like a normal floor would sound.
All right, that's a wrap, you guys. Feeling pretty good about the day. We got a lot accomplished. I'm really proud of ourselves. I'm really proud of myself because I learned how to use the saw today, so feeling pretty good about that. Jordan's smiling at me. Yeah, it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time and I've just been really intimidated by it, so ladies, if I can do it, then you can do it. I'm not that strong. So yeah, have a great day, you guys. Do something that makes you feel alive.
He sounds different than I expected.